Hi everyone and welcome to Feather Yourself. My name's Danielle and today I'm going to discuss the difference between rooster feathers and other types of feathers. You may be thinking, what's the big deal? A feather is a feather, right? Well, that's not actually true because all feathers are different in quality. You'd be amazed at how different feathers can be from each other. Right now I'm showing you a beautiful yellow grizzly feather. I love this color because it's bright, it's fun, and it reminds me of summer. And this feather extension, just like all the other ones from FeatherYourself.com, are made from grade A rooster feathers because this grade rooster feathers are the best quality feather available for hair extensions because you can curl them, flat iron them, blow dry them, and no damage will be done. So now I'm going to give you a little comparison between the yellow grizzly feather and a red accent one. These are both made from rooster feathers, but you can already see the difference. The yellow one is shorter and it's more voluminous with the feathers, unlike the red one, which is skinnier and longer. So before I mention to you about how having real feathers is very important, but you don't have to take my word for it. I'm going to show you right now. So this is a very beautiful orange real rooster feather, and I'm comparing it to a plastic blue synthetic one. You can already see the difference. Simply by twirling the blue one, the strands will come out and it looks staticky, unlike the real rooster feather where you twirl it and the feathers all stay together. And even the color of the blue one is very fake, unlike the orange one, which has a natural color because it comes from a real rooster feather. And as you run your fingers over the blue one, you get the sticky sensation because it's plastic and fake. Unlike the real rooster feather, as you run your fingers over it, it's smooth and soft, just like your natural hair because it's 100% real. So having real rooster feathers may seem like a simple thing, but it makes the world of a difference. Thanks for watching. Come to FeatherYourself.com for more fun tricks and tips. Bye everyone.